Alright, so today we are in Seattle and we are here for the Schoolism workshop. It's gonna be great. Okay, so I was planning on doing some videos and everything this morning. Set my alarm, but I set it to PM instead of AM, so I'm super late. Alright, it wasn't too bad. I got in and nobody's here. I am on time. It's not just educational, but it's inspiring to meet the people that you admire. And it's even more powerful when you can learn from them and see exactly how they do the things that they do. Alright, so I'm here with the one and only Christophe Lautrette. You're going first, right?
Really?
I don't know. Okay.
The Schoolism workshops have been a huge part of my life ever since they began. Very quickly, I saw how much of a positive effect it's had on hobbyists, professionals, artists of all sorts.
Alright, so the workshop has started, it's a success, and we're off to our table at Artist Alley. It'll be fun.
It's a sunny day now in Seattle, which is beautiful. Look at it.
Yeah, I was complaining yesterday, and now it's all nice and sunny. You see, complaining works.
The great thing about the Seattle workshop is that the Emerald City Comic Con hosts and sponsors the event, so we get to enjoy the Comic Con as well. At home, I'm just drawing and painting without much interaction with the fans of my work, so it's actually beyond awesome to meet the fans. I feel so appreciated, and it's super encouraging to work even harder. I just noticed the time, and I really got to get to the Schoolism workshop now before it ends.
Okay, so day one of Schoolism Seattle is all done!
The other thing that I love about the workshops is after the workshops, where usually we can get together with the attendees and just, you know, have some drinks, have some laughs, check out their artwork, and just kind of connect with people on a more personal level.
Do a little cheers for our first, Josie's first event as event coordinator. Cheers, Josie! Woo! Awesome! Goodbye, G.
So the workshops are done. What a relief, everything went well, and now I can kind of take it easy. Or almost. I got one more talk I gotta do for the convention itself. I'm gonna be talking about how to be a creature designer for films.
That's the room, 309.
Okay, so I just came into the room where I'm supposed to be doing the workshop, and there's no screen, there's no computer. Wish me luck.
Alright, so the workshop is done, did some traditional drawings, and gave them away to these wonderful young artists. Wow, so that workshop actually went pretty darn good. Thank goodness. So how's it going, Josie?
Pretty good. Ready for another fun day at the con. It's always fun seeing costumes and stuff, meeting new people. Oh my god.
You know, I gotta say that the Seattle crowd is absolutely awesome. They are so warm, so friendly, and just so inclusive altogether. It's rare to see such a welcoming crowd. I gotta give a huge thank you to the Emerald City Comic Con. If you guys can ever visit, definitely do it. It's a must. You're gonna have a wonderful time.
Thank you, ECC. It's been awesome. Can't wait to come back next time.